I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn statistics together, step by step. In Class 10, statistics works with grouped data, values sorted into class intervals. We'll find the three averages, mean, mode, and median from a frequency table. For grouped data, take each class's midpoint xi as its representative value. The mean is then the sum of frequency times midpoint divided by the total frequency. Say three classes have midpoints 10, 20, 30 with frequencies 2, 3, 5. The sum of f times x is 20 plus 60 plus 150, which is 230. Divided by the total frequency 10, the mean is 23. The mode lives in the modal class, the one with the highest frequency. Its formula uses L, the lower limit, the modal frequency f1, the ones before and after f0 and f2, and the class width h. For the median, locate the class containing the n/2th value. Then median equals L plus the quantity n/2 minus the cumulative frequency before, divided by that class's frequency, times the width h. There's a handy empirical relationship linking all three. Mode is approximately 3 times the median minus 2 times the mean. It's a quick way to estimate one average from the other two. To recap, the grouped mean uses class midpoints. The mode comes from the modal class formula, the median from the n/2 class, and the three are linked by mode equals 3 median minus 2 mean. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.